has been decided that we should enhance salaries, and work in that direction has started. From 2018-19, the pay rise has been going up. It's been done. Even this financial year, there was a pay rise. We have been talking with the public service union leaders to underscore the commitment of government that pay rise is going to go on. And we also want to address the salary disparities, particularly in the teaching sector. In spite of that, it's surprising that some of our workers, the leaders, the union leaders, especially in the teaching sector, they have chosen to lay down their tools. We are telling them, yes, come rain, come hail, come wind, come everything, come darkness, come light. The salaries for arts teachers are going to be raised next financial year. We are also discussing now to raise the salaries of local government workers. But the other day, the union leaders of local governments slapped us with the industrial action. They said they are not working. Why salaries are not going to be raised? Yet, we have discussed this issue in cabinet. The Minister of Local Government presented a proposal to raise the salaries of local government workers, including the political leaders. Yes. But because the figures which were being raised were a bit ambitious, which cannot be sustainably accommodated, Cabinet decided that, yes, they should be fine-tuned under the chairmanship of the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Public Service. So the committee was put in place. The committee is sitting, and they are likely to report very soon in the cabinet to say yes, not to oppose the raise, but to say yes, these are the figures which can be accommodated both in the short and in the long term. Yet, our friends are saying, we cannot continue working unless this raise happens now. Fellow Ugandans, aren't you being a little bit unrealistic? We are saying yes. You mean if your cow conceives today, just because you want milk, and maybe I've not had milk for the last 9 years, she says, no, this cow must produce now, so that I can have milk. So let's be realistic, and let's be calm. Really, this pay rise is going to come.